Hi everybody, it's me, JB. I've not done a share something useful video for a little while, mainly because I don't think I've had anything particularly useful to share. However, there's been one that's been literally right under my nose over these last few weeks. So it's summertime, people are out wearing trainers without socks. I've seen a lot of this, particularly with my kids. They come round, I have them for the weekend, they're wearing these trainers, they don't wear socks, it's all very fashionable. But when they take their trainers off in my porch, it reeks. No amount of air fresheners or other products that we put in our porch area seem to make any difference. I usually tend to wear socks, trainer socks. However, I'm being told reliably by my 13-year-old, who's also my fashion advisor, that if you're going to wear these types of trainers, Dad, particularly with shorts, denim or otherwise, you know, wearing socks is not a good idea. I've got to admit, it is more comfortable and they do look pretty good. So what do we do about the problem of trainers really smelling awful when you wear them without socks? Really simple tip that somebody shared with me, and I'm going to share it with you. So this is my porch area and these are my trainers. Now hopefully you can see those if I'm working the camera right. So I love these trainers. I wear them without socks. However, they are starting to smell. Now I've never really smelt, I've never really had a problem with smelly feet, but I do with these trainers. So what I've been doing is getting some of this stuff here, look, if you can see that, pure baking soda, and actually filling the trainers with the baking soda. And I don't know why it works, and maybe some of the scientists out there might be able to tell me why it works, but it just works. It takes away that stench. And what I do is I put that in the porch area, and it takes away the unpleasant smell. And I've also found as well that boxing gloves that are full of sweat and sit in training bags in the boot of your car, anything along those lines where sweat mixes with material and causes that horrible stench, whack some of this stuff in it and it does the trick. So, hopefully if it beats buying these expensive different products that you put inside trainers or socks or whatever. So yeah, give it a whirl. Let me know how you get on with it. And that was a very quick Sunday share something useful. Hope everyone's having a great weekend, enjoying the sunshine. Au revoir.